Hey friends, if you wish to fix this issue where your device is offline, try a different sign-in method is the error you get while trying to sign in, then please watch this video. Now the reason is that your system is offline and it's not connected to the Wi-Fi network. Maybe you were disconnected from the Wi-Fi during the previous session when you were using the system and now it does not pick it up, and maybe you changed the credentials, the login credentials on a different computer. So what can you do in this case? Check if you have other the first solution is check if you have other login options like the pin or face recognition. But if you have not set Windows Hello or any of those options, then the only solution is to use an Ethernet cable to connect your system to the internet first, and then you can use it. The last solution will be to log in using different credentials. Okay, create a different account if you don't have it and log into your system using different credentials. Connect to the internet now. Once you're logged in, connect to the internet, restart, and then you will be able to log in with your regular account. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.